You guys, look at the growth so far.
Okay, so now we have our desoiled plant, our container that we're gonna plant into, and our bag of LECA. And we put this is 7 weeks of growth in LECA. Hey guys, today we're doing a little bit of maintenance on our LECA ad insani. To be honest, this is the first real maintenance that we've done since transplanting it 7 weeks ago. Overall, it's been super simple and one of my favorite ways to grow houseplants. I'm really impressed. We've been doing active hydroponics for years, but I'm absolutely shocked by this passive hydroponics system. I thought it would go much worse. I thought there'd be a lot more algae in here, but I haven't had to water the plant. It grows faster. There's no bugs. I'm very impressed. Today, we're gonna do a basic water change. As I said, it's the first thing we've done in 7 weeks. We changed the water once 3 weeks ago, which we're supposed to do more frequently, maybe every 2 weeks. I have my part A and part B fertilizer here with a ½ gallon of water. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pour out the old water. I'll just hold the rocks with my hand, let the water drain out. I'm gonna do a in-between flush of just regular tap water. So I'll pour in some basic tap water and just flush that back out. This will get any of the built up minerals or salts that have been on the rocks, especially since I wasn't great at maintaining the water changes. And I'll go take this and put this in the garden because this is good nutrient water for your veggies or something outside. Okay, so now we're gonna mix up our nutrient water. We have our part A and our part B. And last time when the plant was young in a transplant, we did 2 milliliters and 4 milliliters in 1 gallon of water. So today we're gonna do that same 2 and 4 milliliters, but we're doing it in ½ gallon of water. So it essentially doubles the concentration since this plant is very large and happy. And it's also showing a little bit of lime green at the top, which tells me it can take on more nutrients for the amount of light it's receiving. So I'll take 2 milliliters of part A, which is kind of the brown solution. I'll mix this up between. Now we'll do 4 milliliters of part B, which is the red solution. As we said in the first video, this is our 2-part system. Most people use general hydroponics 3-part system, but this is a way to use just 2 of the parts. We balance this, pH balance this, and sell it on our website for a very simple intro cost so you guys can get into LECA very affordably and simply. And that is our fertilizer water. So now it's all shaken up. We actually didn't put any vitamins in it because the plant is no longer new, so it could be helpful, but we just want to keep it as simple as possible. Just simply pour in the water. Again, like we said in the basics video, up to the bottom of the root mass. The roots do look healthy here. So we're gonna pour it in till about there. And I'll go ahead and keep this in the back of my house just to refill the water, hopefully every 2 weeks now. Overall, it's such a simple system to grow really healthy, green, low maintenance houseplants and a lot of different plants. I'm very impressed. I would recommend it to really anyone. You don't need a lot of scientific knowledge. This is done with just these 2 bottles, part A and part B. No pH meters, no TDS meters. Thank you for watching today's video. If you did enjoy the video, please click the thumbs up down below. It does help us out. And if you want to come back for more videos every Saturday, click subscribe down below and we'll see you next week. Have a good day.